Rishika, and today I am going to teach you loops or iterations in Python. So loops tells computer to execute set of statements multiple times. There are two loops, while loop and for loop. Why do we use loop? So let's see. Imagine if I want to write numbers 1 to 10. So do I have to write like this? Print 1, print 2, print 3, then print 4, print 5 and so on, and then print 10. Imagine if I want to write print numbers 1 to 1000. Do I have to write 1000 lines? The answer is loop. Now let's see how to create a statement of while. So here is a statement of while. How to write it? Let's see. First we'll write x, a variable name, and then equal sign. And then we will assign a value 1 in that. Now in the next line we will write while and a expression what? X greater than sign, equal sign, and then 10. And then after brackets, colon. Now what does this mean? Means if x is smaller or equals than 10. Now in the next line you will write print x, variable name x, and then in the next line you will write x equals to x plus 1. Now let's see how to create a for statement. Like this we have to create a for statement. We will write for, then space, then we will write a variable name and then space, and then we will write in, then space, and then we will write range, that is a function. Now after writing this in brackets we are going to write 1, 11, and after brackets a colon. If I want to write 1 to 10 numbers, I will write 1 to 11. Why? I want to write 1 to 10 numbers, but here I am writing 1 to 11. Why? Because if we will write 1 to 10 numbers, it will only show the numbers till 1 to 9. That's why we are writing it to 1 to 11. Now in the next line you will write print and then a variable name. Now let's see how to create this statements in Python. First let's see how to create a while statement. First I will write a variable name and then equal sign. Now I'm going to write assign 1 in that. Now I'm going to write while, and in brackets I am going to write if y is smaller or equals than 10 colon, and then write print, then print y, and then in the next line I am going to write y equals to y plus 1, and then enter, and then again enter. So it will show you till 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, let's see how to create a table in while statement. Imagine if I want to write 5 table. So how to create a 5 table in while statement? The same method that we did in making 1 to 10 numbers, but a little bit of changings are there. What? Let's see. First I'll write a variable name and then assign 1 in that. Now I am going to write while, and then in brackets I am going to write if x is smaller or equals than 10 colon. Now I am going to write then print x. Now up here we wrote only the variable name, but here we are going to write x multiple sign and then 5. Why? Because we have to write a table. So we have to put a multiple sign, and then after multiple sign we have to write the number that we have to write the table. Like I am going to write 5 tables, so I will write 5. If you want to write 6 table, you will write 6. Now after this we have to enter and then write if x equals to x plus 1. Now after doing this much, enter, press enter 2 times. Now you will see a 5 table. Okay, now let's see how to create a for statement for 1 to 10 numbers. First I'll write for space and then variable name, and then again space and then in, then again space and then range, that is a function, and then in brackets I am going to write y comma 11. Now After this, I'm going to write colon and then enter. Now I'm going to write print I. Now here I and then enter, again enter. So it will show you 1 to 10 numbers. Now let's see how to create a table in for statement. Imagine if I want to create a 6 table. So how to create? Same method, but the different changes are there. The same changes that we did in while statement. The multiple sign state change. Let's see how to write it in for statement. First I'll write for space and then a variable name like z space in space range, that is a function. Now in brackets I am going to write 1 comma 11 and then I am going to write colons and then enter. Now I am going to write print z. Now here we have to write a table. So here we are going to write a multiple sign and the number that we want for a table. So here I will put a multiple sign and I want 6 table. So I write 6. If you want 7 table, you can write 7. Now after doing this much, press enter. So it will show you 6 table. So now we have learned what are loops or iterations in Python. So I'm done for today. I'll come in the next video. For now, bye bye and thank you. Bye.